Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove status from WhatsApp. WhatsApp status are often visible for 24 hours by default. If you want to remove a status before the 24-hour duration ends, you need to delete it manually by following these steps. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're in your account, tap to go into the updates from the bottom left corner. After that, you will find your status icon at the top left corner of this page. When you will see the update status, all you need to do is tap on the three dots. Then select your status and hit the bin icon from the bottom bar. Or you can directly delete your status by tapping on the delete option. Now tap on delete one status update. Confirm that you want to delete the status. This usually involves tapping delete or confirming the action. After that, your status will be deleted successfully, and that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your comments or questions down below.